Best rollerblades. Are you looking for the best rollerblades? In this video we will look at some of the best rollerblades on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. K2 Inline Skates. Experience the perfect balance of fit, comfort, and stability with the K2 unisex 3-wheel rollerblades, designed for both casual and dedicated skaters. Featuring unisex sizing and a clear reference chart, these skates make it simple to find your ideal fit on the first try. The adjustable features throughout the boot, including dual ankle straps and traditional laces, lock in your foot and heel securely, providing a stable and personalized fit every time you skate. The heat-moldable intuition liners and shock-absorbing heel wedge ensure all-day comfort while enhancing stability for confident strides. A padded tongue extends higher than the aluminum frame, helping you maintain balance and rhythm whether cruising along smooth city paths or tackling slightly uneven terrain. These rollerblades feature a lightweight yet durable 6061 extruded CNC machined aluminum frame, paired with large 110mm wheels for smooth, fast rides. While 3-wheel setups can feel less stable than 4, the reinforced ankle and heel support provide exceptional security and responsive performance. For added control, the detachable ankle brake is easy to install and ensures safe speed management on both paved and bumpy surfaces. With excellent maneuverability, these skates handle tight turns and obstacles effortlessly, making them ideal for urban adventures, park trails, or lakeside paths. Plus, their durable construction resists wear and tear, promising countless skating sessions ahead. Specifications, sizes: men's 5 to 13, women's 6 to 15 frame, 6061 extruded CNC machined aluminum wheels, 110mm configuration, 3 wheels, adjustable straps and laces, heat moldable intuition liners, detachable ankle brake included. Number 2. Impala Skate Impala Lightspeed. Bring retro flair and high performance to every skate with these eye-catching sprinkle rollerblades. Inspired by Margot Robbie's iconic look in the Barbie movie, these skates feature a cream base with playful blue, pink, and yellow accents, giving you an unmistakable 80s vibe while delivering modern functionality. Perfect for casual skaters, beachside trails, or park adventures, these rollerblades combine style with smooth, stable performance. The thick, sturdy plastic frame provides excellent support while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. Adjustable laces and a shin strap allow you to lock in a secure, customized fit, ideal for skaters who lean into their stride or enjoy a bit more control over their movements. The cushioned, breathable lining keeps your feet comfortable, even on hot days, while allowing you to maintain balance over bumpy asphalt or uneven terrain. These rollerblades come with a removable brake, making it simple to skate with or without it depending on your preference. The 470mm wheels provide smooth glides and responsive turns, so you can navigate trails, parks, and streets effortlessly. While the light-colored frame may show minor scuffs over time, its durable construction ensures many hours of skating enjoyment. Specifications, sizes: 5 to 14 frame, plastic wheels, 70mm configuration, 4 wheels, adjustable laces and shin strap, cushioned, breathable lining, removable brake included. Whether you're channeling retro vibes or just looking for a smooth, stable skate, these sprinkle rollerblades offer the perfect combination of comfort, style, and performance for every ride. Number 3. Papaison Adjustable Inline Skates. Introduce yourself or a loved one to the joy of rollerblading with these entry-level light-up rollerblades. Perfect for beginners, these skates combine stability, comfort, and style, making the learning process smooth and enjoyable. With fun light-up wheels and a reliable brake attached to one skate, newcomers can confidently practice speed control and balance while cruising around parks, sidewalks, or paved trails. The adjustable design ensures a secure and customized fit for every skater. Featuring a buckle strap over the shin and a Velcro strap across the top of the foot, these skates provide excellent support while remaining easy to put on and remove. The breathable mesh upper keeps feet cool and comfortable during longer skating sessions, while the targeted cushioning socks add an extra layer of comfort, making each ride enjoyable from start to finish. Durability meets lightweight design with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, offering solid performance without feeling heavy on your feet. The 76mm wheels provide smooth glides and responsive turns, allowing skaters to navigate corners and gentle obstacles with ease. Thoughtful extras like 2 dust bags make storage and travel simple, keeping your rollerblades protected and ready for your next outing. Specifications, sizes: SXL frame, aluminum alloy, weight 6.2 pounds, wheels 76mm, configuration 4 wheels, adjustable buckle and velcro straps, breathable mesh upper, includes brake, cushion socks, and dust bags. These entry-level rollerblades are a wallet-friendly, fun, and reliable choice for beginners, combining playful design, comfort, and stability to make every skating session a success. Number 4. 2PM Sports Inline Skates. Make skating a fun activity for the whole family with these adjustable rollerblades, designed for children and adults alike. Available in sizes S through XL, these skates allow you to outfit everyone in the family with matching pairs, from young beginners to adults just learning or revisiting the sport. The adjustable shin strap, Velcro ankle strap, and laces ensure a snug, supportive fit, helping skaters maintain stability and comfort on every outing. The boots feature cushioned footbeds that absorb bumps and uneven surfaces, providing a smooth and stable ride. Whether cruising around a park path, lake trail, or neighborhood sidewalk, these rollerblades deliver a comfortable skating experience without causing pressure points or blisters. The 4-wheel setup and built-in brake make controlling speed and navigating obstacles simple, even for young skaters developing their balance and coordination. Built to last, the polyurethane and aluminum frame is sturdy and secure, giving confidence to both kids and parents. Buckles and straps remain strong under repeated use, while the 80mm wheels glide smoothly for consistent performance. Though the liner may feel slightly warm on hot days and the skates can be a bit heavy for younger children to carry, the overall design provides excellent durability and comfort at a fair price. Specifications, sizes: SXL frame, polyurethane and aluminum, weight 7.4 pounds, wheels 80mm, configuration 4 wheels, adjustable shin strap, Velcro ankle strap, and laces, cushioned footbed, built-in brake included. These family-friendly rollerblades are perfect for kids and adults who want a safe, stable, and fun skating experience, making every outing an enjoyable adventure. Number 5. Epic Skates 125mm Engage 3-wheel inline speed skates. Take your skating to the next level with these high-performance 3-wheel rollerblades, designed for speed, stability, and comfort. Featuring oversized 125mm wheels, these skates glide effortlessly over rough terrain, providing a smooth and controlled ride for intermediate and advanced skaters alike. The aircraft-grade CNC gold-polished aluminum frame delivers exceptional sturdiness, ensuring that every stride is supported while maintaining lightweight agility. Comfort is key, and the cushioned boot lining absorbs bumps from uneven pavement while protecting your shins, allowing longer skating sessions without fatigue. The dual buckle straps and laces offer customizable support for the ankle and top of the foot, keeping your feet secure without feeling restrictive. This thoughtful design ensures a snug fit, stability during high-speed maneuvers, and confidence when taking on corners or obstacles. The 3-wheel setup provides an excellent balance between speed and stability, making these rollerblades ideal for skaters who want to cover more ground efficiently. While the skates do not include a brake, the oversized wheels and secure fit allow skilled skaters to maintain control and confidently navigate turns and straightaways. Specifications, sizes: 6 to 13 frame, aircraft-grade CNC gold-polished aluminum, weight 7 pounds, wheels 125mm, configuration 3 wheels, dual buckle straps and laces, cushioned boot lining for comfort and shock absorption. These high-speed 3-wheel rollerblades are perfect for skaters seeking a combination of durability, stability, and performance. With superior construction, oversized wheels, and a comfortable fit, they provide a smooth, controlled, and exhilarating skating experience every time.